In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create survey in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to structure a clear, professional survey. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is your main navigation. From here, click Audience. Audience is where your contacts live and where Mailchimp keeps tools that help you learn more about them. Inside Audience, select Surveys. This opens the Surveys area where you can manage existing surveys and create new ones. Look to the top right corner of the page and choose Create New Survey. This starts a fresh survey project. You'll be asked to name your survey. Pick a clear, specific name that makes it easy to recognize later, like Post-Purchase Feedback, Q2, or Newsletter Content Preferences. Next, select the audience you want to associate with this survey. If you have multiple audiences, choose the one that contains the people you plan to reach. This choice helps you organize responses and segment results. When you're ready, click Begin. You'll land in the survey builder. You may see a prompt like, "What would you like to learn?" Use this as your guiding question to keep your survey focused. Now click the plus sign to add your first section. Start with an introduction. Select the introduction section type. Then write a short, friendly message that sets expectations. For example, explain why you're running the survey, how long it will take, and reassure people that their responses help improve your content or services. Keep it concise and welcoming. When your intro looks good, choose another section type for your first question. Use the plus sign again to add more sections as needed. You can stack multiple question sections to cover different topics, but keep the flow logical. Move from general questions to more specific ones and avoid asking for duplicate information. As you add questions, aim for clarity and simplicity. Short questions, clear answer options, and only ask for what you truly need. At any point, click Preview to see exactly what respondents will experience. Use the preview to check formatting, spacing, and tone. Make sure your introduction reads naturally, your questions are error-free, and the order makes sense. If something feels confusing, go back and adjust the section or the wording until it's smooth. That's it. You've navigated to surveys, created a new one, named it, selected your audience, built an introduction, added sections using the plus sign, and previewed the final experience. You're now ready to finalize your survey and put those insights to work.